Hi everyone. Let's understand how you can optimize your e-commerce website through Typof portal. So we are enabling you how you can put your content on your website so that your website will be optimized on different search engines like Google and Bing's. So let's start with store SEO. So here if you go to online store, there is your SEO option. So here you click, then this is the panel where you can put your keywords, SEO title and SEO descriptions. And this is a home page, your SEO title and SEO description, which is when someone search your website or your brand name, so that's how they can discover your website, right? So it's completely depends on your keywords and your name and how you want to represent in a search engine. So you can put title and description here, and we have enabled you with AI. Generate with AI, you can generate SEO title and SEO descriptions, but to do with AI you need to set up chat GPT, so that if you go to online store, here click in apps, you can get chat GPT setup, where you can just put your chat GPT key, API key, and it will work like a magic. Like you can generate all the keywords and descriptions, right? This is the first steps you have to do it. After that, like if you go to different products, so here Typof is completely optimized on search engine optimization. Rather, you have because of so without putting content it will not optimize, so that you have to put all the content like your title and description. And I will show you how your each product is optimized. Let's go to that section. In if you go to product, manage product, in all each product, if you edit any product, you can get this section SEO. So here we have SEO title and SEO description for particular product. Let me show you. If you click on generate with AI, you will get that SEO title and SEO description automatically. So this is another way, or you can put custom title and description, right? So this will optimize your product in search engine like Google and Bing, right? So next is I would suggest and I would recommend every time when you upload your product, you go to SEO section and update this title and description plus FAQ. So nowadays, even search engine also AI powered, so they are mostly looking for question and answer. So that is FAQ. If you put FAQ section in your product page, it will be more more relevant to any search engine, and they will, if someone search related that question and answer, your product page will be discover first, and that's how you can optimize your search engine here. So here also you can generate with AI, plus you can do customized question answer for your product. You know better how what is your question and answer for your product, right? So you can even generate the question and answer through generate like AI. So that's how you can manage all your image like products and store SEO throughout your complete e-commerce website. If you see, it's automatically generated from AI, right? So that's how you can complete manage. So first one is that's a SEO section for first home page, and then SEO section in each page, right? So these you have to regular basis you have to update. Once you update all the product and store SEO part, then it will be automatically optimized on and don't worry about other things like sitemap. Your schema is automatically taken care by the platform. You don't have to manually put, because if you taken our scale plan or grow plan, so that's automatically enabled for you. So I think I think these two things you have to put title and description, because you know better how to optimize your e-commerce store or how to sell your product, right? So this is all about SEO. It's very small video. You can check, and any doubt, let's connect to our support team. Thank you so much.